Hello, I'm Rachel and this is Liz. We're dietitians at Levine Cancer Institute. Today we're going to show you how to make a decadent pumpkin cheesecake. This recipe was created by our wellness dietitian, Pat. It's a healthier option to a pumpkin pie around the holidays. It's a very simple recipe. Everything will be added to the blender. Our first ingredient is going to be 1 can of pumpkin puree. Next, you add a half a teaspoon of vanilla. The next ingredient would be 3 large eggs. Next, you add a 1/4 cup of low-fat sour cream. Next is 1½ teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Next, you'll add 10 ounces of low-fat Neuchâtel cream cheese. Next, add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then a 1/4 cup of Heart Smart Bisquick. And then you want to blend all the ingredients together for a couple minutes. Once your mixture is blended, then you can go ahead and you can put it into your pie pan. Just make sure you level it off evenly. Next, you'll bake at 350 for 45 minutes. Once the cheesecake is finished, then you'll take it out of the oven and let it cool for an hour, and then place it into the refrigerator for 3 hours. After that, this is your finished product. Thank you, and feel free to check out any of our other videos.
Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online, send us an email, or give us a call. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos are released. And most of all, be well.